So this year at the Game Jam, we have just over 85 students from various different HBCUs. We have 20 teams competing. 61% of our students have never made a video game before. To support them, we actually created something called the HBCU Game Jam Day Conference. We taught them everything from the very beginnings of creating an idea to finishing an actual prototype.
I actually never done game design before, even though I've been a gamer my whole life, but I'm so happy that this opportunity is giving me the chance to do that myself.
We always invite any student, regardless of their skill level, classification, or experience, because there's just so many opportunities out there, and we want to make sure that they have full advantage of those opportunities.
Hosting an event like this requires quite a bit of planning. In the past two game jams, the staff at the Innovation Lab has taken on the entire effort of doing that. It became clear to us that part of the learning process is to have students actually participate in organizing the event.
I've really had a great time on the partnership committee in building connections within Unity and Zynga and Microsoft and networking with people and also making sure our partnerships are aligned to build a better and bigger game jam than all the years before.
Unity has been supporting Spelman College and the HBCU Game Jam since its inception. 24 hours, it's a short time, but they put in amazing work. And then to actually see it in real life, what they've been able to create, it's pretty incredible.
The first Game Jam was my first hackathon ever. I hadn't coded a game at all. This year, I'm coming and really sort of learning how to be a leader, to be able to give direction and help in certain ways has been a really fun change for me.
Spelman College is one of the first HBCUs and women's college to have a game development minor and academic program.
This program offers students at Spelman and through the Game Jam at other HBCUs the ability to see themselves in the gaming industry.
We are creating a game that is basically about a Black woman climbing through the corporate ladder so that she can break the glass ceiling. This is a challenge that I have not had a lot of experience in, so this is something new for me to grow my skill set.
Experiences such as this gives our students an opportunity to network with students from other institutions and learn emerging technologies and work with software platforms that they otherwise wouldn't have exposure to.
One of our taglines is shape the future of gaming, and that's what all of these students are being asked to do. To be able to see what you can do in 24 hours, just what an inspiration that creates such a passion and such a hunger to keep going.
Game Jam has taught me that I want to stay in the gaming industry. Learning the different types of applications that you could use has gotten me so passionate about the gaming industry. Game Jam has really helped me build a career path for myself where I see myself flourishing and happy.